Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today in this video, I'm going to explain how you can use WooCommerce for the first time. So if you're planning to create your online business or your e-commerce website, that plugin with WordPress is the best one. So WooCommerce is the platform that allows you to sell your products or services online with WordPress. It contains a lot of extensions and also integrated with multiple platforms and softwares, third parties, that is creating a good online store for you. 3.6 million online store I'll be with WooCommerce. So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I hope this video helped you to create your online store. So the first thing that we need to do is just go through your dashboard, your backend in WordPress, and then we're gonna go through the section is in plugins. So in here in plugins, we're going through add new. So WooCommerce, it will be probably in your recommended because it's one of the most famous plugins here for e-commerce, right? You go through here and already recommended, or you go search and type WooCommerce. So what we're gonna do now is install WooCommerce, and after the installation, what we need to do is just activate this plugin. Okay, so it will be taking a few seconds, but that's it. As you can see, now it's installed. We're gonna go and activate this plugin. To activate it, what we need to do after is just go in and refresh the screen, and it will show up here onto this menu page. Okay, the menu bar. So we just wait for now. Okay, now it's active, and I want to refresh the screen, and it will be displaying here. Before to display, it will give you like a quick questionnaire to set up my store. Okay, so which one of these best describe you? I'm just starting a business. Okay, so you just go through whatever it is in here for you. Tell us a bit of about your store. So we're gonna put my store, and then here, what's the industry? I believe. What type of product or your service do you plan to sell? Here you can put whatever you want to sell, right? And then where is your store located? You go here and add whatever you are. I mean, Australia, Sydney, continue, it's fine. Okay. In here, if you want to add free features, at the moment, I don't want to, because most of these features I will probably need them. But what I'm going to do is, if I need them, I'll go and get them. But I don't want to put content or more information, because they will probably make my site slow. So you can do that later. You just go to the plugin section, and that's it. Right? Cool. So as you can see, WooCommerce, they have already kind of like a checklist to go and complete these 5 steps to complete or start your store, right? As you can customize, add your products, get paid, collect sales tax, and grow your business. You can go with that. But before you start all the things, I want to do a review on how to set up WooCommerce, or what is this, all the options that we offer, right? So as you can see here on the left, we go to orders. So here orders, obviously it will be the order section where it's all the order details, name, and price, etc. that you can go and select. At the moment, I don't have any, but you will see shortly that I'm gonna go back and show you how is the orders. Here is for all the customers that went through and purchased anything. So it will be here all the information, name, username, email. It will be there. Reports, that's handy because you can manage the information about your sales. So in here, last month, here you can go also for sales by product, by category, coupons, and customers as well. This is a good point for reporting. And settings, here is where I want to go, because that is really important, as we need to set up your WooCommerce site. Okay, so first thing is the store address. So here you will need to set all the information, okay, about you, where is it located. General information is if you're selling your products all around the world, will be all the countries. But if you only sell for specific countries, you just go in here and select the countries, okay, or the areas. Here, shipping location, it will be the same. So shipping to all the countries or no, depending what you want to do, that it will be in here. That's important to know, because it will be related to your shop. Enable taxes, so you can go here, and if you do taxes for your store, you can just go and enable the taxes calculation. depending where you are. So you need to do these taxes, of course. Enable coupons, that's a good also option, because if you want to do some discounts, it will be related in this coupon section. So where is the coupon section? Normally it's here in marketing, and then you just go there, create coupons, right? And I'm not gonna go, well, I'll probably show you, yeah. Here is add coupons, and then you can add customize your custom coupon here, or you can generate a coupon code. And here you have all the options like discounts type, so it will be percentage discount, car discount, fixed product discount, depending what it is. You can just go here, free shipping, and expire that it will be there. Usage restriction, so that if you want to create any restriction for the usage or limitations, so it will be there. That's good, because the minimum spend, maximum spend, and that it will be for if it's usage limit per coupon. So let's say 1, and per use 1. You can create that coupon, and for that it will be able to use in your shop. So going back to that, I'm just gonna go and what it was here. That was for the coupons remember in that section, marketing. Currency options. So currency options depending where you are. So here in Australia is Australian dollars, USD in America, and then euros in Europe, obviously. So it will be here where you can set up your currency position, 1000 separator, all this ready to your currency option. Okay, so we're going here. Don't forget to save always, because if you don't save these chunks, you might miss something. So let me remove all of this information. Okay, so here product page. Here's where you are going to define where's your shop page. So you can create another page instead to call shop. You can call a store or whatever you're gonna call it. But here's where you're gonna assign that it will be your shop page. Yes. Add to cart behavior. So here is redirect to the cart page after successful addition. That is depending what you want to do, because imagine that you want to then select different products. You don't want to redirect them if you just get one product. Let them buy different products. If it's only one, yeah, I mean, if you only have one shop or store for one product, yes, redirect them to the checkout. But if it's all to the cart, but if it's not, just let them keep buying whatever they want to navigate it. Okay, placeholder, that's the size of the placeholder of the picture. Put whatever it is here, 400 or 417. That's standard. In here, measurement. So if it's a kilogram, grams, or whatever measurement you want to do, dimensions. So it will be in here, centimeters or meters or whatever you want. Reviews, that's important. Here, if you want them to review your products, you can. It's fine. But if you want, it will be enable reviews, and there will be a section on your product page that they can review. That is also good, because it creates an engagement with your audience, so they can see. And I mean, you can approve before them they can write the review and then you approve it. It's not like, yeah, they do it and that's it. I'll show you where is the section. The inventory here, don't miss this part. So here's the inventory, is how you're going to manage your stock. You can manage yourself, or depending if you have an external software or third party that you want to manage, like you have in the factory. The WooCommerce, the good thing is integrate with different softwares. So you can have your front end as a WooCommerce and that WordPress side, right? But you manage the stock in your factory or whatever, on your shop, in your real shop, right? You have a software, so you can synchronize that and then probably manage from the third party software. But at the moment, if you want to do it yourself here in your shop and online store, so you do it with enable stock. Okay, 60 minutes it will be the time that to hold an order. After 60 minutes it will be canceled. That's fair enough. You can reduce the time to 30. Notifications, so any notifications, the low stock or out of stock, it will be going through this notification recipient, which is normally the admin email, but you can change here, right? Low stock, out of stock visibility. So you can, depending what you want to do, you can assign here all these features. High out of stock items from the catalog. So here, if you want to just hide your products which is there out of stock, or you can just go here and display the format. Okay, downloads, that's pretty much for digital products. So if you want to do PDF and things like that, it will be here. But look, all of that stuff I really recommend to don't do. Probably if you want to do more expert things or more developer, it will be for that. But as a default, it's fine. Okay. We're going back to the taxes. So here, okay, before remember to save that, save change, and then we're gonna go through the next one, taxes purposes. So here is about all the taxes, so rates, whatever you want to do, price entire taxes. So yes, if you want to include or prices exclusive the tax, you can go here and add all this information. That's how you want to manage. Okay, standard rates, reduced rates, and zero rates. So it will be in here all these tax purposes. Okay, but that's depending what you want to do. In here, shipping, that's important. Add zone, where do you want to add? I already put, for instance, here in Australia. Okay, so you can add the add zone. And then here, where's the region? It will be in Asia, nope, in Oceania here. And then you can add Australia, depending. Imagine that you just want to do in a specific place, so you just go and select the region. If you want to do worldwide, just do that, and probably do here worldwide. Yeah, and that's it. And then here you can add the shipping method. So if it's a free shipping or it's a flat rate. If it's a flat rate, you can assign what's the cost. Let's say $10 or $19 or whatever it is. All right. So you can put here, and you can do an add shipping cost class depending how big it is. Imagine that you have a different class. If it's a big box or a small box, or it's heavy or it's lighter. So you can just go here. I'll show you that in a bit. You can go here. Now it will cost a flat rate is $19. Okay, I'm just gonna go here, shipping settings. That's the calculation. It will be on the cart page. You can hide these calculations, but I'll probably, leave it like I'm showing and able to display the calculator. Shipping destination. So here is with the default customer's shipping address and the billing. Yeah, it will be fine. Save. Classes. Let me save that. Classes. So here is the different classes that I mentioned before. So you can put different classes for your shipping, and then that's it. So it can probably change for the flat rate. Okay. But that's depending what you want to do. Local pickup. So here the local pickup, you enable that, and then you can add the pickup locations, because probably it's not on your factory, it's not in your place or whatever you have the shop. Okay, so it's maybe in a different way. So you just put here the factory, whatever it is, and then the address, and that's it. Pick up details from, you say, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That it will be the details. Okay, so okay, and done. That's it. Save, and that's it. Your local pickup is ready. Here, the next section, okay, which is payment, was it probably is the most important section, because here's where you're gonna get paid. Is where you're gonna set up your payment methods. So if you want to do a WooCommerce payment, which is to do taking with credit cards, it will be able to install that. So you need to install that WooCommerce payment plugin, which is for free. It's another one, probably Stripe or different payment gateways, it's called. So you can go here. I recommend Stripe, which is pretty good. Let me go here and Google it. It's Stripe. And you can connect that and take payments the way that your customers can pay with a credit card, right? And it goes to your bank account. There are different payment methods like direct bank. So you can just go here and say, okay, I'm gonna allow them to buy with a bank transfer, but sometimes it's tricky because probably takes like few days to get your transfer. But bank transfer, and then here at the account that you want to get paid, and the order will be on hold until you go and approve that order once you check that the transfer is in your bank account, of course. Okay. And that's it. So what else? They can pay cash and delivery and check payments. That's, I don't know, that's depends what you want to do, but it will be a good another option. Okay, so let's go here to the accounts privacy. That is a good another option. So guest checkout. So if you want just a guest going through your website, like no customers, that they don't have to register without an account, it will be in here. But imagine that you just want them to do the registration because bold because this is what your requirements. So you will need to uncheck that one or untick that one and create this registration process, which is you can do it here, account creation, allow customers to create an account during the checkout. So they will have to create an account. Okay, you can use the ultimate member in order to take them to create an account and create this registration page and login page. If you want to know more about the ultimate member plugin, I already have a video in my YouTube channel, so I'll post it here in the label so you can go and have a look. Okay, allow customers to create an account on my account. Perfect. Create account. This is the options to create an account and privacy policy as well. Personal retention, blah blah blah. Perfect. So save, and then we're going through the emails notification. That's another. That's pretty much also all of this. They're really important. Email notifications. So here is where once the customers or make a purchase, a new orders cancellation, it will be sending to the store manager or the admin or the recipient in that case. If you want to change that email, it will be here inside manage, and then you can change that email depending on who it is who wants to receive that email. It will be that one or the ones that you want to assign. Okay. Enable this email is obviously you want to receive these new orders, of course. Let me go back and I want to show you here. So you can edit or you can enable depending what you want to do the different email notifications. Okay, refund, complete order, it will be all in here. The name of the store, so you say my shop or whatever you want to call it, right? Depend the name of the shop. The address that is going to be sent it to, you can change that as well. And here is the colors email template that you can change as well. Maybe if you don't want to display with WooCommerce, so you just remove the WooCommerce, it will be only your site title, which is your URL normally, your domain. And here base color, so you can change the colors for your emails, and that's it. Okay. So integration, that's an important point. So this is more for create APIs and integrations. And advanced, let's go into see. All right. So here's the API. I'm not going to display my one, but here will be your API, so they can create you small applications so they can connect to you, and then you can put your store open to create with different integration of third parties softwares that you can use. Webhooks as well. Here is all about the, I can just show you because I'm just going to remove that, so no problem. Here, all this information, it will be, you can create an API key and it will be there. So it's simple as create an API, you do this description, you create and generate an API. But going to the page setup, which is important here, is where are you going to define what is a different page for your shop. Cart page, checkout page, my account, terms and conditions. So if you have a terms and conditions, better to go here. If it's not, better to create and then do the terms and conditions. But most of them, they're created by default. If you don't have them, you just need to go and my old page, create page, and then create cart, checkout on my account and assign them. Okay, because if you don't assign them, when you go through the process to buy something, to purchase, the WooCommerce, it wouldn't understand what's going on, and then probably the shop, it wouldn't work, so they can't do the purchase in your shop. Okay, checkout points. So here is all the checkout points, orders, add payment methods. Here is this tag that you can probably use. Accounts and points, same thing. Okay, but this is very important. And here you can force security checkout if you want to do that as a SSL certificate, which is we already have. And that's it. Okay, so that's the settings. This is really important to start to set up your WooCommerce. Okay, and now we can start doing the first steps. Okay, here the status is how, for instance, if one day you have problems with WooCommerce, they have a really good support, so they will probably ask you, hey, can you send me the system report? So it's in here, status. So you just go there and send that, get the system, you can export that and send it to them, and that's it. So they have, if you have any problems, you will send that information. Okay, the extensions is what I said before, all these small softwares or plugins or tools, so it will be here. So you just need to search the extension, right, and then you can download. Some of them, they are free, some of them they are paid, so depends what it is. Okay, let's gonna start to create the products, okay? Or we can go back here. As you can see, get pay is already checked. Now you can customize your shop. But customize your shop, you see in here, they will give you a theme. If you don't want to do that, I can just I'm just gonna create a whole online store. So I put the video here, right? That you can see how you can create your online store without using themes. It's just using WordPress, Elementor Pro, and WooCommerce, okay? Because it's great. All of that, it gives you a lot of things that you probably don't want. And yeah, they're nice. And they probably, as you can see, you gotta pay $99, but it's so much easier to do it with you Elementor Pro, and you can customize as you want, because most of these themes probably contain things that you don't want it. And again, just going back and that's it. So I'm just gonna start. Where is that? No, sorry. I'm just gonna go back here. Add your products. Okay. I'm just gonna skip that. Go your products. What products do you want to sell? If it's physical product, variable that is more than one product with different options. Let's say color. So you can put black, white, red, and blue, and then that's a variable product. Okay, for color, imagine for a t-shirt. Okay. Group products. If you have a group of products, different ones. Okay. That is the old view, the new view. Sorry. To be honest, it's okay, which is it's fine just to create these new products. But I'm just gonna go here and display as it was before. Turn off the new products form. Okay. It's not because I don't want to. It's because some of them, I don't know. We can do that or we can't do that. Missing plugins, blah blah blah. Just skip that and give me go back to what is the actual view, as it normally is, okay? And here, edit product is where you need to add your product name. So here you say product one, okay? Product one, and that will be the product, okay? And here, product description. So you can go and write the description in this section, okay? And I'm gonna show you later how we'll display using Elementor Pro, okay? So here you can put the content, okay? Content will be there, all the content in relation to the description, and product data, okay? Here, as we see before, it says simple product, external product, or variable. That's a good thing, because here I will show you how you can create affiliation. So imagine that you're selling something in Amazon or in a different platform, okay? So you can have the external link, which is here. You see the URL, so you can create a product and then link to the Amazon and then have an affiliation, which is you can get paid just because you're referring this product to this page, okay? So that if they get paid, they pay you for the affiliation. Let me put it back. So I just want to show you the simple product. Okay. So here in simple product, as you can see, imagine that you offering a service. Okay. So here you can go here. This is virtual. So it's nothing material, like it's virtual. Okay. Or download it. So you can also, once they buy it, they can download a file, let's say a PDF. So you just go here and add the file, say, okay, whatever it is. So here, PDF file. And then in here you choose the file from your browser or from your desktop. Okay. Yeah, pretty much is that. At the moment I'm just not gonna do that, or no, probably virtual. Yeah, I can probably do a service, so you can do a service as well. But from now it's a simple product. So it's simple product price, so let's say $45. If it's in sales, you can put that into, I don't know, just say $19. Okay. And then the tax. That tax normally is by default, so it's related to what I did before here, and these settings and tax. It will be applying all the tax settings. Tax class, leave it like it is because it will take the information from there, and that's it. So inventory, okay, that if you have any ID or any SKU, that is referred to your stock. If you don't, leave it. If you have, for instance, put it in there. Stock management, if you want to track your stock quantity, imagine that you want to put more, like I got 10, so you put that quantity 10. Okay, that's it. If you want to do no, okay, and do allow, so back orders, that's important, because if they want to do a back orders, imagine you got 10, and then if they want to do 15, you will probably allow back orders, but then they will receive an email. If they put 15, they will receive an email when you have when the stock go back online. Okay, But if it's not, you do not allow, and that's it. Low stock hold, that is nothing. So if you want to put in here, you can just add it more or less. I normally don't put anything, depends on what you want to do. So individually, that's a good thing. If you want to sort just one item one time, it's only one. Imagine if you got 10 of quantity, but you want them to buy, maximum limit to buy is just one, limit purchase to item per one item per order in here. Okay. What else? So we're just going here, shipping. That's the shipping. If you want to add the weight, kilograms, dimensions, it will be here, shipping class. So if we have a different shipping class, you will put here, and they will take different reference. For a cost. Imagine that it's like heavy class. It will be assigning, as I saw you before, on the settings and then shipping. Okay, link product. So that is a good thing to do an upsell and cross sell. So it is a marketing strategy that you want to upsell. So you can put different products in there, and yeah. So it will, if you have, because now I only have one, but if you have like different upsell products you want to target, so it will be here. You just need to type it and find cross sell the same thing. Okay, both they will probably display on the cart and then on the checkout as well. That's the attributes. Attributes is depending what you want to add for your product. Okay, as I said before, size or color. So you put a color in here, and then the value, I'll put red. Okay, so then that, remember here, say also use this separator to separate different values. Okay, so let's use that red, and then I'm just gonna use here black, and then white, and then blue. Okay, and that is visible on the product page. Yes, of course, if you want to display that, and that's it. Save. Okay, and that it will be an attribute. Okay, but if you want to create like a variable product, as I said before, here is the color is with all these attributes, and that is the variation. So now let me go back here and select that and say use for variations. Okay, so once you now, I'm just gonna go here and generate these variations and say yes. Okay, in here it will display the options for each variation color. Okay, red. Imagine the red is more expensive than the blue. So you just go here and mark the price, $9.99. Okay, and then, but now, remember before I said $45, whatever it is. Oh no, it's not there because it was a simple product. Okay, sorry. As a variable product, you can assign, or you should assign individual products regular price. Okay, so here you go, $99 sell price. If you want to put cheaper, obviously in sale, you will reduce the price here, and all this information related to the red only product, which is a variation product. Okay, and then if you guys have any questions, please write in the description below, on the comments, any questions, right? Or go to my website, Emmy Webs, and reach me out, so I will be able to help you. Okay, so going back here, black is the same thing. So that's the same thing. Okay, and you need to upload the picture here. So depending what it is, right? Black shirt. So you go here, black shirt, red shirt. So it will be here. Okay, and that's it. That's the stock manage. That's always important as well. So if you want to stock, imagine that you have different stock levels for the different colors. So you just go manage the stock, and that's it. Okay. Let's see, this is the same thing as the simple, but just for variable. Okay, and that's it. That is for the variable product, and for the simple product it will be the same. I'm just gonna go back. Okay, so the $45.90, $19 for the sale price. Advanced, if you want to add any purchase note in here. If it's not, it's fine. Menu order, if you have multiple orders, and if you have multiple products and then you want to create an order on the menu, it will be in here. Enable reviews, is that in here, and that's it. Get more, if you want to get extensions, it will be displaying in here, or you can just go there. Product short description, so you got the main description or product description, the big one, and then the short one normally displays on the right of the picture, or on the left, on the, well, whatever you want to put, but it's more short description wherever you want to go and give this information, or small short information for this product. Okay, That's rank math. That's for SEO. Okay, so going back here, that's a good thing. On the right side, product tags. So you can tag your products depending what it is. As imagine that you put, I don't know, shirt, right? So it will be here textile. You can tag them, and then after that, if you want to do some filters, it will be in that section. So you can apply that and add these tags. Okay, as you can see here on the products category, so you can create these different categories and the tags. So category is also important because affect to the URL. You can probably have textile, no, or clothes. So that it will be one category, and then inside of the category of clothes, you can put t-shirts, and then tags, it will be like different textile or different. That's the tags to assign more information to this category. Attributes is what we just did in here, the attributes, red, black, that's the attributes of products, okay? In the reviews, remember that I said to you before about reviews. Before I forget, in here, it will be on products. So when someone goes to a product page and then add a review because they like your product, is super nice, it's super good, they will be able to write a review in here, and you can check the review and you can put as approved or pending, or just send it to the trash because it's a spam, or you can contact them back, okay? But it will be in here. So going back to the all products, as you can see, my product is in draft. If I want to display that into like publish, so I'm just going back to what it was here, categories. You can create, it was here in tag categories. I'm just gonna go to the right side. Here in categories, you can create the categories. So for instance, you can put clothes. And then inside of clothes, okay, I'm just gonna create that as a new category, sorry. And then here, that's the category. And then imagine that you're gonna create a subcategory, right? I put t-shirts. Okay, so you just go here and put the parent category clothes, and that's it. So that will be inside of clothes category. Okay. That's the product gallery. So if you have multiple photos for your product, you can put that into that gallery, and that it will be the product image is the main image for your product. They will be the one they will be displaying in the store or the shop. Okay. Once it's done, you can go here and then see what is the status of this product. So you can see if draft, which is a draft mode, visible, if it's not, you want to do visible, right? All this for this product. And then that's it. This product is done. Okay, cool. So that's the way how you can create products. Okay, in WooCommerce. So now I'm gonna see how it display. Okay, this is the classic view. As you can see, it's a little bit not funny, but is what it is because that's the normal template. So in the next video, I'm going to explain how you can customize your shop page using Elementor Pro and WordPress, right? Using WooCommerce. So well done. If you arrived until here, congratulations. I hope you learned a lot with this tutorial for WooCommerce. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.